Hello everyone, this is Cindy with Monarch Mom DIY. I am back with another video for you. This time I am showing you how I made 4 more Dollar Tree Valentine Farmhouse inspired DIYs. That is a mouthful. As always, please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you like videos like these where I teach you different tutorials of how to make crafts on your own on a budget. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, like it, and comment below. I'd love to know which of these crafts you like the best. So with all that being said, let's get into the video. Thanks! These are the 4 crafts that we're making in today's video. We'll start with this rag heart. You'll need this glitter foam heart and buffalo plaid scarf from Dollar Tree and scissors. You could also use any other color material you have on hand. We'll start by cutting our scarf or material into long strips about 12 inches long. After removing the tag from the heart, you'll take one strip and fold it in half. Pass the loop under the heart and then loop the 2 ends through the loop and pull it tight like this. I did take a scrap of the scarf and hot glue it around the pointed part at the top of the heart. Continue wrapping your loops of material all the way around the heart, and this is what you'll end up with. Super cute and easy for $2. Next, we'll make this love frame wall hanging. You'll need 4 of these frames from Dollar Tree, some burlap and lace ribbon, and some scrapbook paper. You'll also need a package of these wood letters from Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint my wood letters to spell love with Crimson Waverly chalk paint. This goes on really well, and I only needed 1 coat. Feel free to use white or another more neutral color of paint if you want to try to keep this up during the year after Valentine's. Next, I removed the plastic from each frame, as well as the backing and the glass. Inside each frame, I'm going to put a 3-inch square piece of scrapbook paper, and then put the backing back on. Next, I lay out a length of burlap ribbon, and I'm going to hot glue these 4 frames down the center of the ribbon. I will note here that I am gluing the frames upside down so that the little stand in the back of the frame is actually pointing up. Once I have my frames glued on and spaced out, I'm going to glue on my 4 letters to spell love, and I'm just attaching these to the center of each piece of scrapbook paper. Lastly, I'm taking a piece of the burlap and lace ribbon and folding it over 3 times to show how wide of a bow I want to make. Tie a piece of jute twine in the middle. Next, I take a small piece of a burlap ribbon and glue it in thirds. This will wrap around the center of my burlap bow. This covers the jute string and also gives it a nice finishing touch. I wanted to add a little bit more of the red, so I'm using my red and white gingham ribbon from Dollar Tree and making a smaller bow that I will glue on top of the burlap bow. And here's the finished product. The Love Potion bottle is so cute and literally takes 5 minutes to make. Besides ribbon and string, you need this handmade card and mercury glass bottle from Dollar Tree. I start by removing the card from the packaging and then taking apart the pieces of the card that I want to use on my bottle. We're going to use the Drink Me tag, the little pink bow, and a portion of the pink label that's on the bottle on the card. With scissors, I just fussy cut the part of the label that will fit on my mercury glass bottle. There's sticky foam tape on the back, so I don't even have to hot glue this to my bottle. I'll use a little piece of the red and white gingham ribbon just to add some more color to the top of the bottle. Of course, I also need to reuse this little pink bow and glue it on top. To attach the Drink Me tag, I'll take a piece of jute twine and tie it around the neck of the bottle and then hot glue the tag to it. I absolutely love how this cute little bottle turned out. And lastly, we'll make this Made with Love flower vase. You'll need the Made with Love glass jar, flowers of your choice, and some white chalk paint. We'll also use some sandpaper, some jute twine, and a couple of foam hearts from Dollar Tree as well. We'll start by giving our jar a good coat of the Waverly white chalk paint. I tried really hard to cover all of the glass. Since I was going for more of a farmhouse rustic look, I didn't worry about it looking nice and neat. I just pretty much slapped that paint all over the glass vase. Once it was completely dry, I just took a piece of sandpaper you can get at the Dollar Tree and gave it a little bit of a sanding. Mostly I was trying to get the paint off of the front of the words so those would stand out, and also the raised design on the jar. Again, we'll take our jute twine and wrap it around the top of the jar for that farmhouse look. For the last step, I took one more piece of the jute string and I hot glued one of these foam hearts to each end. Then I hot glued that to the jute string I just wrapped around the jar and then tied a little jute string bow. Now just add your flowers and feel free to change this out and use all year long. Thanks for joining me, everyone. I hope you enjoyed these 4 crafts. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks and see you next time.